Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube Shorts comments. Want to read or reply to comments on a YouTube Shorts video? In this video, I'll show you how to see comments on YouTube Shorts for both mobile and desktop. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Android device, but if you're using a desktop, I will tell you the instructions, and if you follow them, you're gonna be able to do that in no time. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to open your YouTube Shorts video. Now on desktop, you're gonna have to access your browser and type in youtube.com, and after that uh, log into your YouTube account. Now on Android devices and iOS devices, just launch the YouTube app, and here you're gonna have to find the Shorts video where you want to see the comments. And we can do that by clicking on Shorts section right here. If you see the bottom of the screen, you're gonna see the Shorts icon. Click on it to access the Shorts. Now find the Shorts video where you want to see the comments. For this example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now on desktop, you have to click the comment section below the video title to expand them. But in your Android device or iOS device, just click on the comments icon right here. As you can see, it's the icon that says underneath it 146. This means 146 comments. I'm just gonna click it, and just like that, the comments appear. As you can see, these are the comments on this short right here. Now to comment, to reply, or you can like or dislike comments. You can like comments by clicking on the like icon, or if you can dislike it by clicking on the dislike icon, and you can also reply it by clicking on the comments icon underneath the comments, like you see here. And here you can write your reply. As you can see, you can write anything and click on it and click on send. Now if you don't see comments, the creator might have disabled them, or YouTube might have restricted them for safety reasons. For viral shorts, comment by top or newest to find the most relevant ones. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you can easily see and engage with YouTube Shorts comments. Try it out and start interacting with your favorite creators. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.